Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this eye cream. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this eye cream and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, this is the bottle right here. I'm going to go ahead and actually pop the lid off and show you what the bottle looks like. I've been really impressed. It has a really nice, large pump dispenser nozzle up there at the top, which is really nice and easy to use. I also wanted to mention, as far as this product goes, you'll notice that it is the 1.01 fluid ounce, or in other words, the 30 ml bottle. Now, I've been really impressed with this product here. I want to actually go ahead and dispense a little bit of this product so you can kind of see what it's like. I wasn't really sure what the consistency would be like of this product, so I'm going to go ahead and just dispense a little bit so you can kind of see. If we take a look there, you'll notice it is a little bit thicker than maybe a lotion. It kind of feels more like a thicker, kind of denser cream, but I do like the fact that they do have this big, easy to use dispenser nozzle, because it allows the product to come out really nice and easy. Overall, I've been really impressed with this eye cream, and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.